We're going to start off with my dance appreciation class doing the hula. Hula in Hawaiian means dancing. The hula has been danced for hundreds and hundreds of years, and they dance about Hawaii. It's about water, it's about the volcano, it's about the gods. And Hawaiian dancing is very gender specific. Only the women sway their hips, and the men are like Ku, which is the warrior god. And so they are very forceful movements, while the women are very graceful.